In this video, I will show you how to increase your net worth in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So basically there's two ways you can actually increase your net worth. Now what you want to do when you're in Monopoly Go is if you come down to the bottom, you want to click onto the build button down here, and basically every building that you make on your board, so you can see this one for example, you're going to increase your net worth by 1. So you can see it's now increased to 334, and of course if we go ahead and build something else, every time it's going to go up by 1. So if you just built something else, you can see it's now gone up to 335. So the second way you can actually increase your net worth is by completing colour sets on the board. So when you actually build properties, what it does, as you can see, it's added houses to the different property colours on the board. Now once you've gone ahead and completed a full set, so for example the yellow ones, you can see I've got 2 hotels. But once I go ahead and get 3 hotels, what happens is you get to spin a wheel and you actually receive 3 levels. So it does increase your net worth by 3 for completing colour sets too. So that's the 2 ways that you can go about increasing your net worth in Monopoly Go. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.